Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles for you. And today we are going to draw a panda bear. So I'm gonna start with. I usually start with the eyes. Let's do that. So I'm gonna do like the shape of a lemon. All right. So next we're gonna do a little circle in that shape we just made. And then we can do a little circle at the top of that and color the rest in dark. Like that. All right, so next we're gonna put this into a funny little shape. So we're gonna draw around that and put it in this weird, funky shape. And then we're gonna come on over a little bit and we can do a little nose. So it's like a little upside down triangle. Like that. And then we can come on up a little bit, slanting, and do the other eye. So we got kind of a little lemon shape on the side. And do the inside circle and another circle and color that in dark. And then we can do that funny shape like that. All right, so next let's do a little mouth. So I'm gonna do a little line right here, a little line on a side. And then we're gonna come from that and give him a little smiley mouth. And then under that, do the bottom of his mouth. I'm kind of giving little strokes here. Kind of helps to add texture. Kind of helps to show that this panda is furry. So here on the side, do the side of his face. I'm going to do some little strokes every now and then. And let's give him the top of his head here. So let's give him an ear right here. And over here, we can do the other ear. Another little weird shape. But now maybe if a panda were to look at our ears, maybe he would think that they're weird shapes too. Okay, so now we're gonna come from here. Little side of the face here. And come on down like that. And we can bring a little line down here and work on an arm. And I'm gonna give him 1, 2, 3 little panda fingers, I guess, his paw. And then we can bring that arm here, and we got some fluff hanging down. So I'm bringing all this textured fluff, textured bits of fur down here to the arm. And we can bring a line here, like that. And bring a line down right here. And this panda is going to be sitting. So I'm going to do a leg right here. It's part of a leg. And I'm going to do 1, 2, 3 little panda toes. We can do a bit of fluffy bits. And we can draw his back. And it's coming in here by the leg. Okay, so right here, we can start his other arm. So I'm bringing it down. And I'm gonna put a little line right here. And 1, 2, 3 panda paws there. Panda little fingers. Whatever a panda has instead of fingers. And then we can do his other little foot right here. So we can do 1, 2, 3. And I'm gonna put like a line right here. This is the bottom of his foot. And put a few little sketchy marks. And that leg, we can put a little line right here because his leg is, this is part of his leg too. And I'm gonna add little strokes every now and then, just to kind of help show texture in the fur. So you can put little marks like that wherever you want on your panda. And I'm gonna put some strokes right here, so it kind of looks like he's sitting in a pile of grass. And they can be long, short, doesn't matter. All right, and now I'm gonna start coloring. All right, we are finished our panda drawing. Thank you so much for joining me today, folks, and let me know in the comments below what you would like to see drawn next. All right, everyone, have an awesome, wonderful day, and I will see you back here tomorrow. Goodbye!